Welcome, this is Miss Davies here. We are looking at the first section of Chapter 6, which is 6-1. I can use proportional relationships to solve percent problems. So all about percent problems. Question number 1. 18 is what percent of 72? So first thing we need to know is what does our percent proportion look like and how do we set it up? So remember, we always put percent over 100 because percents are out of 100, and then we can set it up as either is or our part over of or our total. So this is our percent proportion. This is what we want to look at when we're solving all of our percent problems. So this is how we calculate all our percent problems. So back to question number 1. 18 is what percent of 72? So I'm going to fill in each piece of my percent proportion. 100 always goes on the bottom there, and then I just fill in each piece. So it says 18 is, so 18 is going to go here in my is spot. What percent? That tells me that's what I don't know, so P for percent, of 72, so of 72. And then we just cross multiply in order to solve this problem. So we're going to get 1800 is equal to 72p, and then we divide both sides by 72 to get 25. So we work out that division, 25. So our percent, or the answer to this question, would be 25%. Okay, question number 2. Find 35% of 80. Again, fill in all the pieces we know. 100 always goes here. 35% goes in our percent part of 80, goes here. And our last part is going to be whatever we don't know. So that'll be our unknown here, which is going to be our n, or whatever variable you want to use. All right, now we'll solve same way. So cross multiply. So we'll start with 80 times 35, which gives me 2800 equals 100n, and then I divide both sides by 100. You can hear the bells ringing because I'm at school doing this. Divided by 100 to get 28 is equal to n. So our number here, or our n, is equal to 28. And then number 3, kind of the last piece here. So again, set up our percent proportion. 100 goes here. 20 is, so 20 goes in my is spot. 60% in my percent of what number? We use x this time. So you can see we kind of plug in each piece where it goes and then cross multiply again, same process. So 20 times 100 equals 60x. Divide both sides by 60. These guys cross out. And we get 33.33333 repeating is equal to our x. So our answer here, we can say x is equal to 33.33. All right, so that's our first section. So as you're studying for your test, this is a review of 6-1, using proportional relationships to solve percent problems.